This is my 1949 Studebaker 2R5 half-ton pickup truck that I'm in the process of trying to restore, and this is the passenger door from that truck. And today I just wanted to do a quick video on removing the outside door handle and also the door lock. The door lock is only found on the passenger door for this model. There isn't one on the driver's door. Moving over, the outside door handle is connected by this screw right here. It's probably going to be hidden behind the weather stripping, so if you don't see it, just pull your weather stripping, you'll probably see that screw right there. The door latch assembly mechanism is here. There are 4 screws on the end, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. I've got them all pulled except for one for the purpose of this demonstration. And then as you move over here to the side, what you'll see is there are 2 more screws that mount the door latch to the door. One on the bottom, one on the top, and unfortunately for this one I couldn't get these 2 to break free, so I ended up having to drill them out, but fortunately I was able to save the threads for the back side there. Over here you'll see is the door latch remote. This is where the door handle goes on the inside. There's a lever that goes across to the latch assembly working that. In order to get to all this, you have to take off a panel that's mounted with screws up through here, screws down here. You also have to take the window roller handle off, the door handle. You got an armrest mounted with these 2 screws right there. Again, the only difference between this side really and the driver's side is that door lock. And the door lock, here's where the outside door handle comes in. And then down here is where that door lock comes into the latching mechanism. That door lock is secured by this clip underneath there, and I've actually gone ahead and taken that off. In order to get to that clip, I just took a long screwdriver, went up through this access panel here, and you can also use this right here to assist you. But I went ahead and removed that for the purposes of this demonstration. So with that, we'll go ahead and we'll start taking this apart. The first thing I'd recommend doing is going ahead and taking that outside door handle off. And I will tell you that that outside door handle, the screw itself, I had to really work it back and forth to get it loose, to get it out. But the significance about this door handle was removing it from, there's a screw right there for the latch mechanism. But the biggest problem I had was getting it to break free from here. We had 70 years of rust in there, and it took a lot of pounding, and actually finally got it to break loose. So today it'll look like it'll come out easy, but the reality was it was a real pain. So I'll just slip that out, and that's what the door latch assembly looks, the outside door handle looks like. You can see where I've kind of cleaned this off, got all the old rust and stuff off of there. But it was a real pain. It took a lot. It took me about 40 minutes to get it off. So yours might be the same. Don't get frustrated. Just realize eventually it'll come. You'll see where I had to use that center punch to try to punch it out of there to make that happen. But that's the outside door handle there itself. And now that I've already removed the pin from the lock will just come straight out, and you'll see it pull out from there. And there's your lock for the passenger door that you find on the vehicle, right there. And that's how it comes out. The next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and take loose the door latch remote. Generally speaking, these screws, once you break them free, they come loose pretty easy. At least they have, with the exception of these 2 screws I talked about earlier. So now I'll go ahead and take this screw out. And then the final screw right here, we'll take this one out. And so that is your door latch remote removal. Now that's what the insides look like. Then I'm going to oil up and see if I can get to working properly. And this is your door latch remote. It comes off just like that. And that is what you need to do to remove your outside door handle, your door lock, your door latch remote from the passenger side. I hope this helps. Thanks much. Bye.